Hey guys, I'm Kalyani. Welcome back to my channel Automation Let's Explore. So guys, in today's video session, I'm gonna explain some important text function which is commonly used in the MS Excel. So guys, without further delay, let's start today's video. So our first function is let function. So let function is basically used to get the particular value from the string value. Like, let me show you how we can use that. So here, press is equal to, then type left, and now I want to extract this Sarika from this full name. So what I'll do, I'll just select this text value, comma, then number of characters. So how many number of characters? Like there are total, I can see 6 number of characters. So I will give here the 6 and I will close the bracket and I can able to get the first name value, right? But this is not applicable at everywhere. If you work with the bulk data, then this is impossible to extract each and every value by using this kind of method. So I have one trick here for you. So here you just simply type is equal to left. Now what you have to do, select this left function, this text value, comma, then you have to find the space, right? So here I'm using the find function. And now what I have to find, I want to find the space. So I will provide here double quote, space in a double quotes, comma. Now the text value is A3, bracket close, -1. And I will close this bracket again. And I press enter. So if you see here, I can able to get the first name from the string. So if I'll drag here, so I can able to get all the first name from the full name. So in this way, you can use the left function. Now we'll move to the next function, that is right function. So here, right function is also used to get the number of characters from the end of the text string, right? So I'm using this right, and now here I'm using this value again, comma. Now how many number of characters I want? I want like last end of this character Deshpande. So here total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 characters. So I'll give here the 9. I'll press enter. So you see here I can able to get this last name over here. But again, there is a limitation. We cannot count each and every length of the each string. So here I have one trick again. I'll use the again right function. So right, select the right, then this text value, comma. Then you have to count the length of entire string, right? So now I'm using here the len function, and again len function is, I'll close this bracket, minus, I have to use the find. What I have to find? I have to find the space. So here in double quotes, I'll provide the space. Again, comma, again, which value? This value, bracket complete, and -1. I'll close the bracket. I'll enter. So if you see here I not need to count each and every length, right? So I'll simply drag and out. If you see here, I can able to extract all the surname from this full name, right? So in this way, by using the formula, you can get the exact value from using the right function. Okay, now next function is a concatenate. So it basically used to join the two string. So I'll show you how we can use that. Concatenate. Now I want to join these two function, comma, this one. So I will press enter, and then again, if I'll drag here, so it will join again all the functions, like all the this two string, it got joined. So now if I want the space between this first name and last name, what I'll do is just simply provide this space. So here I'm providing this some space here, comma, and enter. So you see here, I can able to get the all values with the space, right? So in this way, you can use the concatenate. You by using the AND operator, you also join the two string. So let me show you how you can use the AND operator. So here simply is equal to this value, press and this value, press enter. So here you can join the two string value by using the AND function, AND operator, sorry. So till now we learn about let function, write function, concatenate function. I showed you AND operator. Now the next is trim. Trim is basically used to remove the spaces between the values. So let me show you how we can remove the spaces. So here I am giving some space, right? Now I have to remove the space between these two strings. So here I'm providing the trim and I'll select this one and enter. So it removed the spaces between these two strings, right? Now let's move to the next function, that is replace. Replace is basically used to replace a particular character from the string. Let me show you how we can do that. So again, you have to select or is equal to type replace. Now you have to select the old text value, comma. Now which letter you want to replace? I want to replace D letter, right? So here I'm providing comma, then starting number. This is the syntax. Starting number is what? Like I have to count here like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so D is placed at the 8th position, comma. Then number of characters, like how many number of characters I have to replace, like only one. I want to replace one only. Sorry, D only. So I'll provide the one, comma, which string I want to replace with X value, right? So here I'm providing the X and I will close the bracket and enter. So if you see here, D got replaced with the X letter. So in this way, you can use a replace function and you can replace any letter from the string. Now I want to replace the DES, these three letters. So what I'll do, I'll simply here remove this one. I'll simply provide 3 here and I'll enter. So if you see here, DES, these three letters got replaced by X value, right? So in this way, you can use the replace function. Now, I want to, next function is substitute. So again, substitute is basically used to replace a particular value. So now see the difference. Now I want to replace this Deshpande entire value with the Patil, right? So I select this value, comma, which value I want to like replace this Deshpande. So I will provide here Deshpande, then again, comma, again here, which value? Patil, this is new value. I will replace this value and I'll close the bracket. If you see here, Sarika Deshpande got replaced with the Sarika Patil, like Deshpande got replaced with Patil. So the basic difference between the replace and substitute is you can, by using replace, you can replace a particular letters, and by using this substitute, you can replace a particular value in the string, right? So our next function is length. Now I have to measure the length of this string, entire string. So here I'm using the length, this function, and I select this value and enter. So if you count this total number of characters, you will know this is the 11, right? 11 number of characters available in this string value, right? Our next text function is lower. So lower is basically used to convert all the string value into the lowercase. So I'll show you how we can use that. So here I'm pressing lower this text value Sonam Shinde and I'll keep enter. So see, all the values here converted into the lowercase. So exactly similar way, I want to convert all the string value into the uppercase, I mean capital letters, and then you can use the upper, select this value and press enter. So if you see here, this value got converted into the uppercase. Now the next function is proper. Proper is basically used to convert only first letter of the string into the capital. Rest of letters will be in the lowercase. So I'll show you how we can use proper. Select this text, comma, enter. So if you see here, only first letter H and this V got changed and the remaining got converted into the small case, right? So in this way, guys, we use this proper function. So these are some basics and commonly used the text function. I hope, guys, this video will be very useful for you. And if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you so much.